Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, good morning. Let me introduction myself. My name is Jihan Kalisa Marnanda. I'm from Kelas C and my student ID number is 202532092. Today I would like to explain the data analysis process using RS Studio as shown in this video. Linear regression and scatter plot. First, we can the implementation of a simple linear regression model, the code analysis, the relationship between the number of appliances installed and daily data used in Megablitz RStudio generates scale wall with a right regression linear showing a clear positive trend based on the summary output. The R-squared fall is high around 0.87, which means the model has a strong explanatory power. Residually plot multi-V regression. Next, the video demonstrates model diagrams using residual plot used as residual fast-feeded and normal key plot. To verify the regression assignments, after that the analysis moves the multi-linear regression importing additional variable like average usage time and screen on time, making predictions. In this part, a now data frame call is created to the model predictability by using function. The script collects the instrument data used based on now input for apex usage time, the number of appeal instead and screen on time. The number of apples installed and screen on time, calculating infinite volume of 144.197 correlation. Moving on, the video show a version correlation that using the function it evaluates the linear relationship between the number of apples inside and data used. The output tells a very strong regression coverage of 0.93. Hypothesis testing on the sample test varied test. Finally, the video demonstrates two types of hypothesis testing. First is of hypothesis testing. First is one sample the test to check if the mean of weekly transfer expression is greater than 75%. The second on is I violate the test weight which comprise data before and after a certain condition labeled here as pre-test and post-test. 2.7 is significant difference and between the two variations. Dataset overview. Now let's take a close look at the fragmented dataset used in war analysis when is stored in the Excel spreadsheet user the set named Colerasic. This dataset consists of 143 half-series rows of user data spanning across 9 stack columns. The computer smart user characteristics and user demographics. Let me break down columns. Column A represents the specific smartphone model used by the subject, such as Google Pixel 5, OnePlus, Nike, Xiaomi Mi 11, iPhone 12, and Samsung Galaxy S21. Column B operating system indicates the volume running on the device categorized in Android or iOS. Column C applies usage time, measures the total duration of ability annuity for user recognition in minutes per day. Column D screen on time, so the analytics screen duration for day, measures in hours. Column E battery drain record, the daily energy computation of the device measures in female hours and half per day. Column F number of app installed. Take the total cost of application is like 1 the user phone. Column G data usage refers the is data volume consumed daily megabytes in MB and per day. Column H IG display the IG the smartphone user in class. Column E gender characterize the user by biological record as a male or female. That is all from my application grading the data analysis tab format in ratio, comparing, regression, correlation, prediction on sample test analysis. Now let's look at the next analysis, which is the one sample test. Based on the problem set, a national survey showed that the value weighted sample expression for college students in big cities is 75,000 rupiah. We want to determine if the weight sample expense of students at the Ethiopian campus area is significantly greater than that national value to this hypothesis. Data from 20 students was completed and analysis using significant level of 0.05. Looking at the summary table, we have obtained the following statistical volumes. Average the sample mean is 32,930 rupiah. Standard deviation is 23,946.157. Sample size, the total number of regressions is 30. Statistica, the count that value 0.382. Table. This the total volume from the distribution tablet is 1.729 for volume. The crossing volume volume is 0.646. Conclusion: since the volume of 0.646 is much greater than or alpha level of 0.05 and the statistica is smaller than the tablet volume, we fail to reject Binet happiness. From we can conclude that the averagely wiggly Danforth express interval and student is not significantly greater than the national rate. That concludes my expression for the analysis covering the research studio or tracking the dataset, lecture, and the final draft. Thank you very much for your time and education. Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.